Data structures in Python. Data structures are fundamental components in programming that allow you to organize and store data efficiently. Python provides a variety of built-in data structures, and understanding them is crucial for effective programming. Here's an introduction to some common data structures in Python. Lists. Lists are one of the most versatile and widely used data structures in Python. They are ordered, mutable, and can contain elements of different data types. Python code. My_list equals 1, 2, 3. Hello. True. Tuples. Similar to lists, tuples are ordered collections, but they are immutable, meaning their elements cannot be changed after creation. Python code. My_tuple equals 1, 2, 3. World. False. Sets. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements. They are useful for operations like union, intersection, and difference. Python code. My_set equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dictionaries. Dictionaries are key value pairs, allowing you to associate values with unique keys. They are particularly useful for quick data retrieval. Python code. My_dict equals name. John. Age. 25. City. New York. Strings. Strings are sequences of characters. They are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed after creation. Python code. My_string equals hello. Python quote arrays. From the array module. Arrays are similar to lists but are more efficient for numerical operations when all elements are of the same type. Python code. From array import array. My_array equals array. I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Queues. From the queue module. Queues are implemented in Python using the queue module. They follow the first in, first out, FIFO principle. Python code. From queue import queue. My_queue equals queue. Stacks. From the collections module. Stacks are implemented using lists in Python, but you can also use the collections module for a more specialized deck. Double-ended queue. Python code. From collections import deck. My_stack equals deck. Linked lists. Custom implementation. While Python doesn't have a built-in linked list, you can implement one using classes and references. Python code. Class node. Def__init__. Self. Data. Self. Data equals data. Self. Next equals none. Understanding these data structures and when to use them is crucial for writing efficient and organized code. Depending on your use case, you may choose one data structure over another for better performance or simplicity.